Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Riyal Hussain. Today we will discuss Yamaguchi macrolactonization, and this is our lecture number 33. Key concepts. Following concepts will be covered in this lecture. What is Yamaguchi macrolactonization? We will discuss introduction, then difference between Yamaguchi esterification and Yamaguchi lactonization. Remember, there is a difference between Yamaguchi esterification, lactonization and macrolactonization. Then we will discuss general reaction, reactants and reagents for the Yamaguchi macrolactonization. Then general features of this reaction will be discussed in this lecture. After this, we will describe general reaction to describe the difference between Yamaguchi esterification and Yamaguchi macrolactonization. Introduction. In 1979, M. Yamaguchi and his co-workers developed a novel procedure for the preparation of esters and lactones. The method discovered by Yamaguchi and his co-workers used for the rapid preparation of esters and lactones. Remember, cyclic esters are called lactones. Lactones and esters were prepared under mild reaction conditions through the alcoholysis of the corresponding mixed anhydride. As a result of their thorough study, they found that 2,4,6-trichlorobenzoyl chloride and DMAP was the best reagent combination in terms of both the high reaction rate as well as the high product yield. 2,4,6-trichlorobenzoyl chloride is called Yamaguchi reagent. DMAP, dimethyl aminopyridine, is also the reagent or base used in Yamaguchi esterification or lactonization reaction. The combination of 2,4,6-trichlorobenzoyl chloride and DMAP proved a best reagent combination for the preparation of esters and lactones under milder conditions. When 2,4,6-tribenzoyl chloride and DMAP was used, then the reaction rate was high and the yield of the product was also high. The procedure was put to the test and used for lactonization of very acid sensitive substrate that was known to rapidly decompose on contact with catalytic amounts of HCl. Yamaguchi macrolactonization. Substrate for the Yamaguchi reaction is hydroxy acid. The hydroxy acid was treated with 2,4,6-trichlorobenzoyl chloride, which is called Yamaguchi reagent, in the presence of a base, that is triethylamine. Byproduct obtained during this reaction, either by the reaction of hydroxy acid with 2,4,6-trichlorobenzoyl chloride in the presence of triethylamine, was triethylamine hydrochloride. The byproduct produced during the reaction was removed as the reaction proceeded. The resulting mixed anhydride was diluted with toluene and slowly added to a refluxing solution of DMAP, dimethyl aminopyridine in a toluene under high dilution conditions, the concentration will be 0.002 moles per liter. The desired macrolactone, that is 2,4,6 tridimethyl 3-deoxymethanolide was obtained without the formation of any decomposition product. The first step for the Yamaguchi esterification or Yamaguchi lactonization is the treatment of hydroxy acid with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride in the presence of triethylamine. During this reaction, the product obtained is mixed anhydride. This mixed anhydride produced during the first step was diluted with toluene and slowly added to a refluxing solution of dimethyl aminopyridine. During the reaction of mixed anhydride with dimethyl aminopyridine, the product macrolactone was obtained without formation of any decomposition product. It means no other product was formed during this reaction. Definition of the Yamaguchi macrolactonization: the formation of medium and large ring lactones. Remember, lactones are cyclic ester. Cyclic esters are called lactones. Formation of medium and large sized ring lactones from hydroxy acid using a combination of the reagent of 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride with dimethyl aminopyridine is known as Yamaguchi macrolactonization. Yamaguchi esterification: actually lactone are also the cyclic ester, so we can call it Yamaguchi esterification. Is a chemical reaction in which aliphatic carboxylic acid, that is aliphatic carboxylic acid. Remember, here we are discussing Yamaguchi esterification. The reaction, the substrate for the Yamaguchi esterification is the aliphatic carboxylic acid. This aliphatic carboxylic acid is treated with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride, abbreviated as TCBC, trichlorobenzoyl chloride, which is called Yamaguchi reagent, to form a mixed anhydride. This mixed anhydride, upon reaction with an alcohol in presence of stoichiometric amount of DMAP, produces the desired ester. This reaction was first reported by Masaru Yamaguchi et al. In 1979. So, the substrate, or we can say the reactants for the Yamaguchi esterification, are the aliphatic carboxylic acid as well as alcohol. DMAP and 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride are the reagent used during the Yamaguchi esterification or Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. This is general reaction which describe the Yamaguchi macrolactonization, or we can say Yamaguchi esterification. See, this is hydroxy acid, hydroxy carboxylic acid. It is treated with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride. It's a benzoyl chloride. This is a phenyl ring substituted with C double bond O Cl. It's a benzoyl chloride, and the chloride, the three chloride are at position 2, 4 and 6. This substituents C double bond O Cl is present at position 1. Benzoyl chloride, when treated with hydroxy carboxylic acid, it is aliphatic carboxylic acid. Triethylamine is a base. This base will abstract the proton from the hydroxy acids, and it gives us this mixed anhydride. This is anhydride. When the triethylamine abstract the proton from the acid, then it gives us anion. This anion act as a nucleophilic species. It attack at carbonyl carbon of the benzoyl chloride, and the Cl leave as a chloride ion. During this reaction, this mixed anhydride is obtained. There is a double bond. There is a oxygen between two carbonyl carbon. This is a mixed anhydride. This mixed anhydride, upon reaction with DMAP, dimethyl aminopyridine, gives us this lactone. This is cyclic ester. This lactone, cyclic ester, and 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoic acid is obtained as a byproduct. General reaction. Here is a question. In the previous slide we have discussed that the substrate for the Yamaguchi esterification is the hydroxy acid. The question is that simple carboxylic acid can be used or not during the Yamaguchi esterification reaction. Yes, simple carboxylic acid are also used during the Yamaguchi esterification. If simple carboxylic acid are used as a substrate, then Yamaguchi esterification is called intermolecular esterification. 1 mole of carboxylic acid will react with 1 mole of alcohol in the presence of 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride, triethylamine, and dimethyl aminopyridine, and produce 1 mole of ester. 1 mole of ester is obtained when only simple carboxylic acid are used as a substrate. Reaction completes in 2 steps. The first step is the formation of anhydride. What we have discussed in the previous slides is the same as we are discussing now. The base is the same, that is triethylamine. Reagent is the same, that is 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride, but the substrate is changed. The substrate is simple carboxylic acid. The base will abstract the acidic proton from the carboxylic acid and will produce anion, oxyanion, the carboxylate ion. We can say it's the carboxylate ion. This carboxylate ion react with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride, and the negative charge on oxygen will attack at carbonyl carbon, and the chlorine of the 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride will leave as a chloride ion. As a result, mixed anhydride is formed. So during the first step, mixed anhydride is obtained. That is the simple anhydride. We can say it's a simple anhydride. Second step is the conversion of anhydride into ester in the presence of dimethyl aminopyridine. See this one, this is carboxylic acid reacting with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride in the presence of triethylamine. Then it gives us anhydride. This anhydride, upon reacting with alcohol in the presence of dimethyl aminopyridine, then it gives us ester. This is the ester. See, if our substrate is hydroxycarboxylic acid, then in the second step, alcohol will not be used as a reactant. Remember, the alcoholic moiety, the hydroxyl group, is present in the substrate. That's why it's a hydroxy acid. The product will be the cyclic ester. The cyclic ester is called lactone. See the difference. Note the difference. If the substrate is simple carboxylic acid, then this carboxylic acid will react with 1 mole of alcohol in the presence of Yamaguchi reagents, which are 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride, dimethyl aminopyridine. The product is simple ester. The reaction is called Yamaguchi esterification. If our reactant or substrate is hydroxy acid, then hydroxyl group and the carboxyl group, both functional groups are present within the same molecule. So the first step will lead us to the formation of the mixed anhydride. then that mixed anhydride in the presence of DMAP, dimethylaminoperidine, cyclize to give a cyclic ester. Cyclic ester is called lactone. The resulting the resulting reaction is called Yamaguchi lactonization reaction. Lactonization reaction. Reactants and reagents of the Yamaguchi esterification reaction. The reactants are carboxylic acid. It may be the simple carboxylic acid, aliphatic carboxylic acid, or it can be the hydroxy carboxylic acid. Alcohol. If the substrate is hydroxy carboxylic acid, then alcohol are not required as a reactant. If it is simple carboxylic acid, yes, then alcohol is required as a reactant. Yamaguchi reagent, that is 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride, abbreviated as TCBC, trithylamine as a base, and it is removed as triethyl ammonium hydrochloride. Triethylamine hydrochloride. DMAP, dimethyl aminopyridine. This is the structure of dimethyl aminopyridine. This is the structure of Yamaguchi reagent, that is TCBC, trichlorobenzoyl chloride, and this is triethylamine. This will act as a base. TCBC allows the regioselective synthesis of highly functionalized ester under mild reaction conditions. The synthesis is regioselective synthesis. Yeah, remember, the reaction in the presence of TCBC, trichlorobenzoyl chloride, is regioselective reaction, and this regioselective synthesis leads to the formation of highly functionalized esters, and the reaction conditions during Yamaguchi esterification, or we can say Yamaguchi lactonization, are the milder reaction conditions. What is Yamaguchi lactonization? The intramolecular version of the Yamaguchi esterification under highly diluted condition to form medium-sized lactones such as solendilactones and helicolactones. Then the reaction is termed as Yamaguchi lactonization or Yamaguchi lactonization. As I described in the previous slide, if the name of the reaction depends on the substrate used for the reaction. If the substrate is simple carboxylic acid, then the reaction of simple carboxylic acid with alcohol in the presence of Yamaguchi reagent, then the reaction is called simple Yamaguchi esterification. If the product formed during Yamaguchi esterification reaction is the lactone, I mean it's a cyclic ester, then the reaction is called Yamaguchi lactonization, because the product is the lactone, cyclic ester. How the lactones are formed? When hydroxy carboxylic acids are used as a reactant instead of simple carboxylic acid, then the intramolecular version of Yamaguchi esterification is called Yamaguchi lactonization. Remember, the reagents, the conditions are the same during both reactions. What is Yamaguchi macrolactonization? The intramolecular formation of macrolactones. Remember, macro means larger sized rings, larger sized cyclic esters. The cyclic ester which contain a larger ring are called macrolactones, which are also called microlids. Under the Yamaguchi condition is called Yamaguchi macrocyclization or Yamaguchi's macrocyclization or simple Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. I think now it's clear the difference between Yamaguchi esterification and Yamaguchi lactonization as well as Yamaguchi macrolactonization. Up till now we have discussed the reagents, the different steps of the Yamaguchi esterification, or we can say Yamaguchi lactonization reaction, and we have discussed the difference between these both reactions: Yamaguchi esterification, Yamaguchi macrolactonization, and Yamaguchi simple lactonization reaction. General features of Yamaguchi macrolactonization. The general features of this transformations are: the substrate is first converted to corresponding mixed anhydride. So the first steps leads to the formation of mixed anhydride when the hydroxy acid is treated with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride in the presence of tertiary amine to activate the carboxylic acid functionality. So what is the function of triethylamine? Triethylamine is used as a base. It abstracts the acidic proton from the carboxylic acid. When the acidic proton of the carboxylic acid is abstracted, then the carboxylic acid becomes activated, become nucleophilic species. So what is the function of the triethylamine? It is used to activate the carboxylic acid functionality. Aromatic hydrocarbons such as benzene, toluene, tetrahydrofuran, etc. can be used as a best solvent. The reaction is conducted under high dilution conditions to minimize intermolecular coupling. So, why the dilute conditions are required during this reaction? To avoid the, here is the answer of this question, why the dilute conditions are required during this reaction. The answer is that the reaction is conducted under high dilution conditions which minimize the intermolecular coupling. When the substrate is hydroxy acid, then the product is intramolecular product, which is the cyclic ester. If we use concentrated conditions, then the chance of intermolecular reaction increases. To minimize the chance of intermolecular reaction, the dilute conditions are maintained during Yamaguchi esterification reaction. The product obtained in the first step is the mixed anhydride. That mixed anhydride is dissolved in the DMAP, is dissolved in a solvent and slowly added through a syringe pump to a refluxing solution of DMAP in benzene or toluene. Several equivalents of DMAP, dimethyl aminopyridine, a known catalyst for acyl transfer reaction, is used. Several equivalents of DMAP. Equivalents of DMAP may also be used during this reaction, and this is acyl transfer reagent. This is acyl transfer reagent. So the question is that which one is the acyl transfer reagent? We can say it's a DMAP, or its equivalents are the acyl transfer reagent. Advantages of Yamaguchi macrolactonization. The main advantage of Yamaguchi macrolactonization over other existing methods are its operational simplicity, its high reaction rate, and lack of byproduct. So the conditions under which Yamaguchi esterification reaction occur are the best conditions to produce ester, or we can say cyclic ester or lactone. The reaction rate is high under these conditions, and the yield of the product is also high under these conditions. No byproducts are obtained during this reaction. These are the advantages of Yamaguchi esterification, which is a special method to produce esters over the other methods for the formation of the esterification, or for formation of the esters. Yamaguchi macrolactonization. This is hydroxy acid. The two functionalities are present within the same molecule. It's a hydroxy carboxylic acid, It is treated with 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride. It's a Yamaguchi reagent. NR3, it's a tertiary amine. It is used as a base. Tetrahydrofuran is used as a solvent. The temperature condition is the room temperature. The reaction contents are stirred for 2 hours at room temperature. The product obtained is triethylamine hydrochloride obtained in the form of precipitate, which are removed through filtration process. It is the first step of the Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction. The product obtained is the mixed anhydride. The base will activate the carboxylic acid by abstracting the acidic proton from the carboxylic acid and gives us carboxylate ion. This carboxylate ion acts as a nucleophile, and the negative charge on oxygen attacks at carbonyl carbon of the 2,4,6 benzoyl chloride, and chlorine leave as a chloride. So chloride is a good leaving group. As a result, we obtain this type of anhydride. The oxygen is singly bonded between the two carbonyl carbon. It's a mixed anhydride reaction. The next step is the cyclization step. This mixed anhydride is dissolved in the solvent, added to the DMAP, dimethyl aminopyridine, is the refluxing solution of the dimethyl aminopyridine. Then intramolecular cyclization occur. The two parts of the reactant, the same molecule, will react with each other and give us the cyclic product. What happened? This mixed anhydride dissolved in a solvent, added to the refluxing solution of DMAP through a syringe pump. Then the hydroxyl group becomes active and gives us medium or large sized ring lactone. So the product obtained during this reaction is this cyclic lactone. So this carbonyl carbon of the carboxylic acid, and this oxygen of the alcohol become bonded with each other in the presence of 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride and dimethyl aminopyridine. So these both reagents become the facilitator to cyclize the alcohol moiety with the carbonyl carbon of the carboxylic moiety present within the same molecule. See this one, the alcohol moiety is shown with red colored, oxygen is red colored. The source of this oxygen is the alcohol, and this carbonyl carbon is the blue colored, and the source of this carbonyl carbon carboxylic acid. So this oxygen of alcohol moiety, it means shortly we can say the oxygen of alcohol moiety become bonded with the carbonyl carbon of the carboxylic acid in the presence of 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride and dimethionopyridine. The mechanism will be discussed in the next lecture in detail. See this one, this is another reaction which explains the intramolecular Yamaguchi esterification reaction. Again, it is a macromolecule which is a simple carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid, and here is the hydroxyl group. So we can say it's a hydroxycarboxylic acid. The reaction is occurring in the presence of triethylamine. The same reaction conditions which were discussed in the previous slide. The solvent is tetrahydrofuran. The reaction contents are stilled for 2 hours at room temperature. The byproduct is a precipitate of triethylamine hydrochloride, which are removed through filtration process. The base will abstract the acidic proton and gives us carboxylate ion. That ion attack at carbonyl carbon of the 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride, giving us this mixed anhydride. This mixed anhydride dissolved in benzene and added to the refluxing solution of DMAP. The addition of the mixed anhydride to the DMAP solution is maintained slow, and the reaction contents are refluxed and stirred for 40 hours. Then this mixed anhydride cyclize to give us this type of ester. This is cyclic ester. It's a microlates. We can say it's a macrolactonization. 2,4,6 tridimethyl 3-deoxymethanolide. See, the OH, which is behind the plane, is involved in cyclization. The OH, which is above the plane, is not involved in the cyclization reaction. So the OH, which is pointed toward the ester group, toward the carboxylic acid group, will be involved in cyclization and formation of the ester. Regioselectivity of the products. The use of 2,4,6 trichlorobenzoyl chloride ensures that the aromatic moiety of the mixed anhydride is not accessible to other nucleophiles due to steric hindrance at the aromatic counterparts, and thus the regioselectivity of the ester products can be anticipated. Although acyl chloride is generally considered to be more electrophilic than its corresponding anhydride, the Yamaguchi reagent is less reactive than its mixed anhydride with other carboxylic acids due to steric hindrance. Assignments: explain the differences between Yamaguchi esterification, Yamaguchi lactonization, and Yamaguchi macrolactonization reaction by giving one example of each. You are not asked to write the mechanism of the reaction. You will just describe the differences by writing one example of each reaction. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.